first part of your question was how to get started. So the question I have back to you on that is, are you getting traffic to your site already?
Nope,
No.
brand new site, nothing there.
Nothing there. Okay. Because if you had said yes, I would have said implement a retargeting campaign, but that is not possible. So then it's a question of what is it you're selling and who's your target audience?
Okay.
That answer depends on which way you're going to go. So let's workshop this then. So that's the question. What are you selling and who's your target audience?
Okay, so I have an online training program at my website, plantbasedeating.com, and it's helping people who want to introduce more plant-based eating into their lives, but don't necessarily want to go full vegan or anything. They're just saying I know there's a lot of alternative meats and cheeses and ice creams and all these amazing products out there that I hear great things about. I'd like to eat more of them and, get rid of some animal products from my diet, but I really don't know how or where to go. Where do I get them? What do they look like? What are they? So I have a first training program. It's called What to Eat Instead of Meat. Nice. And it outlines the top 15 foods that Americans eat, like burgers, pizza, ice cream, cheese. It goes through those. And it gives you sections for restaurants that tell you where you can go, what restaurants have it. It also gives you grocery stores. It says these are grocery stores that carry this, and this is where you get that. So it's a real how-to, not a why you should do it, but a how to do it. And so that's an online training program that will have probably 20 lessons in it, et cetera, and offer people coupons, et cetera, to try these foods out.
Okay. So you got two options basically. Okay. The first option is you could do Google search traffic, right? So that's somebody who goes to Google, imagine, and they've decided in their head, you know what, I want to try see what I can eat for plant-based eating, and they are Google searching types of things related to plant-based eating. Okay.
Right.
Chances are no one's going to be searching for a course on this. They're just going to be in research mode. Okay. How to do plant-based eating, blah, 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 blah. The good thing about search is that it's very high intent. So you know exactly what they are interested in because they've literally just typed it into Google.
Because they're asking for what you're trying to provide.
Correct. Exactly. The question is where you send them on your website, right? Do you send them to some content or do you try and sell them into the program straight away? My feeling is I don't think you should sell them straight away. So then it comes down to, I guess, the whole concept in marketing called some kind of lead magnet, right?
Yep.
So perhaps you could give them something for free, which they register their email address for. Like you said, the 15 foods that they could get started straight away. And then email, obviously you're building a retargeting audience that way because people are coming to your website now. And then your job is via email and retargeting ads to follow them with additional ads and also emails to get them to register.
Yeah, so do lead magnet, drop them into an email funnel and bring them back around.
Correct. But I would also do like retargeting ads for the people that do register for that.